for each of those who were killed in the bombing.
And a new three-person crew is on its way to the International Space Station. 2 members of the crew, an American and a Russian, will spend 183 days in orbit. The Russian rocket is the only way to reach the space station since U.S. shuttle flights were suspended.
Hi, Cooper. How's my good sitting boy? Bump! Look who's here. Hey, Coop. You ready for your bath, bud? Let's go. Hey, Coop. Come on, let's go. Let's go, baby. Okay, a little more. We're almost done, Coop. Snug is a bug. All right, Coop. Woo! Hi, Coop. Hi, baby. Hi, Cooper.
They are +5 in goal scoring when all 3 are on the field at the same time.
Very good, Cooper. Good job, Cooper. Can you close the door?
Remote control.
Why don't you come here, Coop. There's our dog, yeah. Very nice, my dear. Hey, can you show me how you brush your hair? Cooper, over here. Look over here. Coop. Aw, look at you brushing your hair. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cooper. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow?
Blow. Blow, Cooper.
Yeah. Can you blow?
I'll help you, okay?
Yay!
He was mesmerized by that candle.
We've been
practicing with the
Take
candle.
your cups and you see about this little cake. I think maybe it needs to come off the plate so that it doesn't just dump up. Here we go, sweetie.
Now he's blowing. Oh yeah.
He's
never had chocolate before
for
either.
you.
He's never had chocolate.
That's for you. Eat it. Can you put it in your mouth?
Yum. Taste it. Cooper,
Put it in your mouth.
taste.
In your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that pretty good?
Oh, I like that.
That's chocolate.
Yum.
Try that again.
Yeah, Randy. It'll take a while.
Yeah, just
These and at that rate, we're going to be here all day.
he'll get there.
Yum, yum. Oh, there we
There
go.
we
Now we're
go.
breaking ground.
Yep.
That's a big chunk.
Or face
Yeah.
face
Yeah.
plant, you know, right in
Is
it.
that good stuff, Coop?
He's pretty good there. Yeah. He's doing pretty good.
How long until a sugar rush?
That's when he starts going, wow, wow.
Oh, it's your mic now.
All right. That was
Yeah.
He's just sitting there like, what are you guys looking at?
I'm enjoying this. What's wrong with you?
Think you changed. Well,
Is that good stuff?
I don't think they'll be able to.
He's gonna snap away.
the championship thing. Oh, it's fun. I'm doing pretty good against this team. No way. We got things all the time.
Maybe we'll watch.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
All right, kid, I think you might be done.
Swami says that
I think so.
Did you get something to eat yours?
Swami says
Love you.
Jeff's going to this year, so he can kick my ass.
You are too cute.
You wait for mommy?
Oh,
Hold on.
hi, Isabella.
Hold on.
That's a good ride.
Cooper, can you twist that stick? Can you twist it? Are you twisting? What does the cow say? And what does the kitty cat say? And what does Daddy say? Very good throw. All right. You gonna catch that one? All right. Whoa, you have 2 of them. Okay, back up. You stand right here. You're gonna catch. Let's catch this one. You ready? You ready? Here it comes. But you ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. Ah! You lost off your head. Are you ready? Well, if you poop, then what do we need to do? Yep. You want mommy to change it or you want daddy to change it? No. Who should change your diaper?
Daddy.
No, I think mommy needs to change it.
I heard that one loud and clear. How many bears do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think we got an extra bear. Here, count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I named them.
That's a lot of bears.
The boots. The sandals.
Did you find some sand dunes?
And
This
the
is
boots.
probably the article for the sand dunes. What did you find there?
Eagle.
An eagle.
Mhm.
Igor?
A donkey named Eagle. His friend. And kangaroo. And red wheel. And kangaroo.
There's
Rabbit. And this owl.
Bud.
Winnie the Pooh.
Yay!
Ready to get this show on the road, Daddy?
Yep, are you ready?
I guess so.
What are we doing this morning?
Baby out.
Alright. You ready?
My Cooper, big brother.
Alright.
If it's a girl, I'll be amazed.
Oh, why is
Very
it?
amazed. But that would be okay too.
Can you look up at Daddy? Can you look up at your daddy?
Here, Coop, you want to put the engine in
Can
here?
you look at your brother? Hey, Cooper.
Aw.
Daddy's getting some video.
They get some video.
Oh.
Hey.
Can you show me where that baby is?
Right under.
That's right. Is she wearing a hat?
Yes,
What color hat?
pink.
That's all right. Is she awake or asleep?
Sleeping.
She's sleeping, ain't she?
Babies sleep a lot.
That's a good one. Got some good pictures of you.
Made a baby come down my tummy.
That's right. Came right out of mommy's tummy.
And now what are you?
So,
You are Cooper. You will always be Cooper.
When that baby comes out. The baby came out, so now what are you?
a big little.
Yeah. Where and who's your little sister?
Josie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's not struggling to get out. That might be interesting to get on film. You could speed it up. See her pop out of her swaddle. You were giving that nurse a run for her money this morning. She was determined to swallow you up, and you were getting out as fast as she could put you in.
Run.
Can't get your head.
Whoa!
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
You want to take
Woo! Wow!
All right.
Can you dance round and round? Dance and dance and dance. Whoa! Yay!
Cooper, what are you doing?
tasting that
What is it?
chocolate.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes. Could
You got my H. Now it just says happy birthday.
Now it says happy birthday to you. It says happy birthday to you.
It says happy birthday, Cooper.
Come to taste that. Yummy.
Nope. Nope.
Gonna taste. Gonna taste that.
I can't really practice with you helping me. Okay, one more taste. All right.
Okay, wait, that's the plate. That's the seat of honor. No, not you, Doc. I was talking to Emily.
Cooper's practicing.
No. That's not your cake, Connor.
He's already.
Yeah, did you see
Connor, who is that?
Isn't that cool? Did Annie make that?
Yeah, Annie made it.
Oh, it's amazing.
That is really good. Cooper, this is good.
Daphne, come on out of the way.
Held it up.
Kind of in the way there now.
Connor, could I
Made wax paper.
Connor,
She made all. She traced it on wax paper, and then she punched little holes in the whole
I'll go
outline.
help me out there.
And then she did the black outline first, and mixed up all the stuff. I was a little embarrassed when Connor was
Don't let it
tasting
get Amy's that out.
He is like, she black. Well, Emily's birthday picture but outlined party, and she put that party. Every picture got a little needle. She made holes all around.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Cooper. Happy birthday to you.
All right, make a wish.
Annie, he's come a long way since last year.
That was very
Okay, now we need to get that cake away from that baby.
Cooper, what are you eating? What is that?
Yours, Mom? You're set?
This is not you.
Don't slow me down, Dad.
busy.
Right, you're almost finished, and then you can be quiet.
Hold on a minute. We're going to get you back sorted off and then you're done, okay? Okay, beautiful. Okay, sweetheart. Oh, let's go. Woo. Here we go. All right. Oh, I know. Let's get you all snug as a bug in a rug. Yeah, look at you. You are all clean now, precious.
You are all clean. Yeah. There you go. You survived your first bath. And dry your nose. Dry your nose and dry your hair a little bit. You have a big puppy dog head. You show Daddy your big puppy dog head?
The bat.
Do you want to go put that ball on your tee? Swing the bat, pal. All right. Look at you sitting and spinning. It's Cooper and Josie. Josie, do you have some wiggling to do? Yeah, how about Cooper?
Yeah.
Do you have wiggling to do?
No.
I don't see any wiggling.
No, you're too busy.
Oh, you're too busy? Are you too busy to give your sister a little hug?
Oh, you got your sister little dog.
Oh, that's so very sweet.
Baby the baby, baby the baby. Dad got a video camera.
Yeah. All right, Josie, I think it's time for you to scoot up a little bit. There you go. There you go.
Wait, Josie again, mine.
What's that?
Wait, Josie again, mine.
And did we ride some trains at Disneyland?
Yeah. We rode on a train that went right into the tunnel.
We did. Then what else did we do?
Right on the monorail.
The monorail?
Yeah. I had it right on top.
Oh. And where in the monorail did we ride?
Purple monorail.
Where in the monorail were we?
At Disneyland.
At Disneyland.
We got on another tunnel and went zoom right into another tunnel.
Was that called a roller coaster?
Yeah.
Did you like the roller coaster?
Yeah.
Did the roller coaster go fast or slow?
Fast.
Did you like that?
There's another tunnel.
Yeah.
Just a plunge away.
And did you ride on something that went around and around?
Flying rockets and the flying Dumbos.
Flying rockets and flying Dumbos?
Yeah.
Which went faster, the flying Dumbos or the flying rockets?
The flying rockets.
Did they go high in the sky
Or down low.
and down low?
Up high. Down low and up high. The Dumbos around and around in a circle.
Yeah. And when it got dark at Disneyland, what did we see up in the sky?
I don't know.
Remember when we were watching the castle and then up in the sky at night we saw...
Some fireworks.
Yeah, did we see lots of fireworks?
Yeah. A big butter boom in the sky.
Do you know this song?
Yeah.
That's right.
This is your first cereal. Oh, it's a spoon. What do you think of that, Josie? That's rice cereal. You like a little more? It's That's okay. We've got more. We've got more.
That makes Josie feel better.
You want that spoon? Oh, we're gonna get rice cereal all over the place, huh? Okay, you ready? Ah, yeah.
And do some bubble work here. Daddy, stop. I'm trying to do some bubble work here. Don't try to take a video of me. Don't do that. Please don't do that. I'm trying to do some bubble work.
Josie's eating Cheerios. Here, let's see if I can tilt it down for you. Here, Coop, can you see?
Yeah.
Come look under here.
There you go. I give you a piece of Cheerio.
How are those Cheerios, Josie? Is it good stuff?
Yeah.
Mmm. Cooper's helping you get some Cheerios. Yeah. Thanks, brother. Hi, baby girl. Come here. Can you come here to me? Come here to me. Ah, beautiful girl. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. You are just a ham today. I would like to get some video of you hammering. Could we do that?
No.
Just one nail?
No, don't shoot video of me.
Hey, Coop, come on. Let's do some hammering.
Hey, Cooper. Do you think you could put Mickey where Josie could see her so we could see Josie try to crawl to it? There she goes.
I'm going to take him over and I take Mickey over in the corners so Josie's not going to go get Mickey from me.
Look at you go. You got those little legs going? Oh, look at that baby go. Oh, I know. Josie, look at you. Oh. Ah.
What happened to those crayons, Coop?
They melted in the sun. Huh. How did that happen? How did these crayons get melted in the sun, Dad?
You think somebody maybe left them out in the sun?
And they got melted. It was
Hey, hold on.
Hey! You rip the firmware off there. You change a bit and put it back on.
Oh, Cooper!
Bella,
Yeah, right?
We're staying away from the chocolate.
Okay, this was a good picture.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cooper. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out your candles.
No.
No, don't cough, honey. We had a joke about coughing out the candles. Oh, buddy, can you stand up? There you go.
No. Annie.
Do not cough on the tape. Okay, you blow up the candles.
Pretty good. Do it again.
All right. Good job. That away. You got it.
Green one. Ooh, good job. Pink one.
Nice.
Very good. That was far away.
He's a good blower. He's got some.
Ice cream cone.
Yes, the secret is out.
Yeah. Because I heard it.
Yeah.
Are you going to eat a Triceratops cake?
Hey, Josie. Good job. Josie putting it in the dirt.
Mommy.
Annie.
She's like, I don't know if you're supposed to do that.
It's his cake. It's hilarious. It's his cake.
It's his cake.
Cooper. Annie.
Cooper. We gotta wait till we cut it first.
We gotta cut the cake, kiddo.
He gets that.
Mom's gonna get it now.
She's awesome right now. That was priceless.
Isabel.
Oh, hey, Josie.
Kaboom! Chocolate cake everywhere.
This one can't be called.
He is.
Did you love me, buddy?
Josie.
Is that car gonna be too tall, or is he gonna make it through here? No, car's too tall. What do you need first?
A dog. Gloves.
Put your gloves on. Let's go.
Hey, could you help me?
Yeah, I can help you. Come on, let's go.
Can you get a big one for me, Cooper? Perfect. Thanks, Cooper.
Oh, you can take a picture of that.
Let's go to the park.
to real park instead.
What's wrong with this park? What's wrong with...
This isn't the park.
What is this?
This is just a whole big field.
What's the difference between a field and a park?
It is.
Why isn't this a park?
Because it's a big field. Come on, let's go. Stay right here. No. Yes. No, let's speak. No, let's speak.
You did a great job.
And this swing. And this swing is empty.
The swing that's empty, that's the one you want to go on?
Yes.
Are you ready to go right now?
Huh?
Say, Daddy, let's do it.
Daddy, let's do it.
Is it a good idea?
Okay, hold on. Josie's gonna get ready to catch the ball.
Josie, are you ready? Let's go. Over there. Here, fire. There. Josie, a fire. And hop up. Back on me. Watch fire. See that? We will learn about little F's.
Frog?
Yeah,
And because how do you spell frog?
F.
How would you spell frog?
F-R-O-G.
Oh, very good.
F-R-O-G.
or do you remember we talked about doctor today? Do you remember how to spell doctor?
D-O-T-O-R.
Okay, you forgot one sound. Doctor.
Okay. See. D-O-C-T-O-R.
Very good.
Good, nice memory. And to do that without even seeing it written down is really good, kids.
Yes. This. Uh-oh.
Okay, don't push, Coop. Are you ready, Joe? He's not going to bug you. Oh, I don't want to get sprayed. Let me go see you get sprayed. You want to get sprayed? Oh, wow.
It's filling up the pool for us. Dad. Dad. Josie, watch out because the jets going in. Josie, jets are going in the pool. Oh, Josie, be careful. Jet's going right here. No. There, Josie, be careful with the jet. Don't go in the jet.
Josie, can you slide right down into the jet?
I got it.
We should get that on film.
Sounds in the winter, bombed in the winter day. Time when the lights come. No, in the winter. I have to take my socks. So, by me, I have to take my socks off. So,
Okay.
that means that it's time to go to Costco. I have to look at, and I'll use this. Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm watching my girl.
Figure out what's happening. So, this is having some bad times. So this is having some bad times. So I have to check that out. So any sand, so I have to put that back on today. And that's what I expected. So this is kind of having some more. That's good. Well, that was good. Cooking with that was good. What Hopefully that was good, Mom.
Good.
Now put this on my neck. Do this again. Now this is good. Hey, put this right over here. But that might be. Oh wait, there we go. Yeah. Put it on my neck. Tweezy. Oh, Mommy, it looks metal. Oh, hi, Mom.
Hi.
I'm playing, and my name is Josephine Rose Howard.